My bathroom looked like every other rental bathroom in America. Builder grade mirror. Plastic soap dispenser from the dollar store. Towels thrown over the shower rod. Same bathroom. $297. No renovation. Here's every single product I used. Let's start with the shower. This rust-proof corner shelf replaced that disgusting suction cup caddy that kept falling. $22.99. I also added this tension pole shower caddy for $26.99. It holds everything: shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and it doesn't move. The Waffle weave shower curtain was $16.99 and instantly made the whole bathroom look more expensive. And this eucalyptus bundle? $8.99. It's artificial, so it lasts forever, and your bathroom smells like a spa every time you shower. The vanity was the biggest mess. Everything just piled up on the counter. First, this marble-look tray organizer for $14.99. It corrals everything into one spot. The ceramic soap dispenser set replaced the plastic bottles, $19.99 for a set that looks like it came from a boutique hotel. I added a bamboo toothbrush holder for $9.99. And these glass apothecary jars? $18.99 for a 3-pack. Cotton balls, Q-tips, bath salts. Everything visible but contained. The LED vanity mirror was $24.99. Rechargeable, perfect lighting for getting ready. Storage was the real problem. There was nowhere to put anything. This bamboo over toilet shelf was $32.99 and it tripled my storage space instantly. 3 tiers. I put towels on top, baskets in the middle, and decorative items on the bottom shelf. The undersink organizer was $19.99. Adjustable shelf that works around the pipes. And these storage bins? $14.99 for a 3-pack. They slide out like drawers now. The finishing touches are what made this feel like a completely different room. A bamboo bath mat replaced the old fabric one, $29.99. It dries faster, looks cleaner, and lasts longer. Adhesive towel hooks, $12.99 for a 6-pack. No drilling, no damage. I put them behind the door, next to the shower, everywhere I needed a towel. And the bathroom accessories set for $21.99 tied everything together. Matching trash can, toilet brush, and cup holder. Same finish. Same style. Same bathroom. $297. No plumber. No contractor. No landlord permission needed. Every single product is linked in the description and pinned in the comments. If you're starting from scratch, start with the over toilet shelf and the shower curtain. Those 2 things alone will change the whole feel. Subscribe for the next room, the living room is coming. And trust me, that transformation is even bigger.